What is up, rock stars, individuals, traders, friends and family from around the entire world? Starting out with some crypto charts, and we are getting some bounces out there in some crypto, and excitingly enough, some follow through and some really nice hammers. So make sure that you go through and start checking some of these charts. Basic attention tokens, one that I have a lot of, and you are getting a bear candle working on closing above the 10 EMA. So go through any crypto charts that you're interested in and just make sure you're looking through them, because we're getting some nice little setups and some nice surgy McSurgertons right now that I'm pretty stoked about. Here's Ethereum and a really nice flag pattern here on ETH. Good pull down to the 10, and it's going to be battling that 200 simple for a few days, but overall looks nice. Let's go to look at the stock market and SPY with a 3-day much needed pullback. Very happy that it's pulling back into the 10 EMA. That's exactly what Apple did, right? Retest gap, retested, pulled into the 10 and got a very nice bounce. In fact, here was a beautiful 10 EMA trade on Apple later in the day, either playing this one. So if you entered here with a stop loss there, that worked. Or if you got in somewhere over here with a stop loss down there, that also worked. This purple line representing the 10 EMA on the daily chart, which was acting as a support. Let me go show you this trade that we have and that we played together on Tesla. This was a remarkable trade that my boy Hot Hand Dan Jansen took on Tesla. So I'm going to pull up his award-winning chart here. And what you'll notice on the 3-minute chart, bull candle below the 10 EMA. So let me pull up this bad boy for you so you can kind of see what transpired. There's actually two really good trades on Tesla. Trade number one, this bear candle closing above the 10 EMA after it broke the low of the day, which was a 20-minute signal to get in. Entry there, stop there, bang. That one worked out really nice. And then, of course, here it is, bull candle closing below the 10, entry there, stop loss there, bang. Target hit as well on Tesla. Two really nice winning trades on Tesla today using that 10 EMA strategy, the one that's been very successful and that has helped us find so many winners and really just start crushing both day trading and some swing trades. Looking at some swing trades just for you, I'm going to go through my list of trades that we are in, pop over here to swing trades, and let's go look at Udemy. So Udemy, and I'll look at one other one for you. So UDMY had a bear candle with decent volume right here on March 29th that we did get above, and so that we set up an entry to get in there. We're going to battle the 50 for sure, but I think we're going to be able to take the stop loss and probably take that stop loss up a little bit, start slowly scooting it up. We have a pretty decent bullish candle today. But check out this swing on Flower Foods. Had some really good compression, 2 days of compression. Actually, there's your bear candle closing above the 10, and this one's triggering right now. So if you want to get a chance to slide over and maybe throw some shekels towards that one, buying that with a stop at appropriately placed, that'd be smart. FuelCell is a bear trade that we're in. Here's your bullish bull candle closing below the 10 EMA, shorting below that candle, and FuelCell slowly right now creeping on the downside. Team, I love revolutionizing life with you. Thank you so much for being a part of Real Life Trading. If you pop over to reallifetrading.com, you'll notice that we just crushed this kids trading course March 28th through the 31st. I mean, we really rocked the house on that one. I'm very proud, very pleased, very thrilled, very excited, and just stupendously pumped in general about all the greatness that transpired in that particular program. Shout outs to all of you for making this a very excited and very wonderful new book that we have created, A Stock Market Journey, making sure young adults win in real life. If you have kids or have friends that have kids, this hard paperback and Kindle version is available right now. We just released that on Wednesday, and people are already raving about it who have read it on Kindle. It's a really fantastic financial literacy book designed for kids age 8 to about 16 or 17. And we walk through not only trading basics, trading concepts, but money management, money mindset, money techniques, buying assets, removing liabilities, being an owner, not just a consumer. Get this book, especially if you have kids or you have friends that have kids. I'm sure all of you do. Team, I love you all so much. We have incredible announcements coming your way for real life trading, including a website redesign, some changes to our trading schedule, and so much more. Please sign up for RLT right now. Don't wait. Just join the mission, join the movement, join the cause, because we are enriching and impacting lives all around the world. We're going to be continually doing that, teaching people, helping us grow, and helping the world change and enrich their lives. Thank you so much for being here. You rock. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in LA. I will be out, if you are watching this video right now, LA tomorrow, Saturday morning, Griffith Park, 8 a.m. for a hike. Look for the RL shirts, and otherwise I'll be seeing you next week online. You guys rock.